Hello everyone, welcome to GHS by Aditya. Sir, I have received lots of queries regarding the dress to wear on the day of the LPT language proficiency test or document verification for UBI LBU recruitment process, right? So I'll clear three to four doubts in this particular video, but I'll try to keep the video as short as possible. Point number one, the question regarding dress. What should I wear, sir? Should I wear the same dress which I am planning to wear on the day of interview? Or LPT document verification, will they do the interview also on the same day? First of all, answer is no. LPT and document verification, for that only they have given you the call letter as of now. तो अभी जो आपके पास dates आए हैं, call letter आए हैं, वो आपके LPT और document verification. LPT, if it is applicable, it is not for everyone, you know that. So if it is applicable to your profile, language proficiency test, in that case, you need to go through with the LPT along with that document verification. Now, what to wear on that day? Don't wear completely casual dress on that day, or don't go completely in a casual look. Like you should be properly cleaned and dress up on that day. Even if you are not going to wear the same dress which you are planning to wear for an interview, that is fine. Even I will advise, don't wear the same dress of interview. Something else, but formal, you should wear on the day of your document verification as well. Be clean and properly. Like if for the boys, I would suggest properly keep your hairs and beard managed. Don't go in unnecessary in a casual look. Like ठीक है यार, document verification है, चलेगा, क्या होता है, ऐसा नहीं है. रीजन ये है कि इवन इफ यू हैव मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, इफ यू हैव LPT लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट, रिसेंटली इन NIACL assistant LPT language proficiency test, one or two panel members were available at the time of LPT and they were having conversation in the regional language. अगर ऐसा कुछ वो करते हैं, it means there will be one or two panel member available on that day as well. तो आप अपना ड्रेसिंग प्रॉपरली मैनेज रखो. आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन, बिल्कुल मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप सेम ड्रेस पहन कर जाओ जो इंटरव्यू के लिए ब्लेजर वगैरह प्रेफर करो, ऐसा नहीं है. नॉर्मल शर्ट, नॉर्मल पैंट फॉर द बॉयज. गर्ल्स के लिए नॉर्मल आप सलवार सूट, साड़ी, वट एवर यू आर प्लानिंग, वो आप पहन सकते हो. बट बिल्कुल भी कैजुअल लुक में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अच्छे से ड्रेसअप होकर जाइए. ये आपका पॉइंट नंबर 1 है. सेकेंड, डिजी लॉकर. व्हाट अबाउट डिजी लॉकर सर? सी, ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स यू नीड टू कैरी compulsorily. All the original document you need to carry with you along with the Xerox self attested. तो आपको self attested Xerox लेकर जाना है सारे ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट का. They advised you to fetch the document over DigiLocker. अभी देखिए, 10th and 12th mark sheet most of the board provide you. Even if you are from CBSE, they will provide you 10th and 12th mark sheets over the DigiLocker. But in case of university, there are multiple universities in India, they are not providing their certificates of degree or PG over the DigiLocker. वो available नहीं है. So that is not in your hand and that is not your mistake. ठीक है? So उन्होंने यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट भी कहा है, please note that the verification eligibility through the digital version of the document stored in the DigiLocker is an additional tool. इन्होंने यहाँ पर कहा it is an additional tool. It is not the primary purpose. It is an additional thing. You need to carry the original document with you. वो original document से आपका verification करेंगे. So out of this list, whatever you are able to fetch, जैसे आधार, पैन कार्ड you can fetch. If 10th 12th mark sheets are you are able to fetch कर लो उनको. If you are unable to fetch the degree certificate, then you can inform them, sir, I have tried but my university doesn't provide it. It's okay, it's fine, it's not your problem. I hope you are getting my point. So don't worry about it. All the best for your LPT. My interview batch is live on the Guidely platform, so you can check the details, give your mock interview before going for the real interview. All the best guys, take care. If any other doubt, do write in the comment box.